So I'm getting tape-ins today, y'all. I'm like excited and scared at the same time. This is my first time, never had them before. But I have Brittany Lynn here, one of our stylists at House of Go Sleek, and I know she's gonna get me right. But check this out. We have thin tape-ins, like a lot thinner than what you already see on the market. I'm gonna be using this kinky curly texture, but of course I had to dye mine, and Brittany custom colored these for me. It did loosen the curl pattern some. Once you lighten it, it's not as tight, but I still have my curls, so it should still definitely blend if I decide I wanna wear my hair curly. So she's gonna go ahead and get me right. Y'all pray for me. I think she got me though. So I will be able to wear a ponytail, right?
Okay, yes, we can definitely, you know, have the versatility. We want to make it where it's seamless enough for you to make the ponytail. That's our goal, yes.
Gotcha, okay.
So I'm actually able to do a little check to make sure that you're going to have the coverage when you pull it up. And right now, it's pretty clear. I'm just going to raise the part just a little bit higher just to be sure that we have good range.
Okay. Like, how do we make sure that they don't hurt?
Right.
When you put them in.
So when we're installing them, we definitely want to make sure that we're not installing too close to the parting to give some range for the extensions to freely move so that there's no additional tension, because tension can lead to breakage, and that's something that we definitely don't want.
How many grams of hair will we be installing? Now, you know, I don't like it like too full.
Right.
You know, real natural and just not overly full, just because my hair, it's fine. And once it gets oily, you know, I don't want the tapes to show as well. So like, I just don't want it to be overly full. So about how many grams will we be putting in?
Right, so we're gonna be doing about 60 pieces.
Okay.
And that's gonna give for like a very natural install. And it'll also sit really well in the hair.
Doing about 150 grams.
Exactly.
Of hair. Okay, that sounds about right.
Does this feel fine?
Yes, it feels good. How's the color blending? Do you think it's
the color is blending very nicely. I think the color match was right on. And the more we install, the more that it's gonna blend and be seamless.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, it feels good. Like, I mean, I actually don't feel anything.
Good, yes. I've been told that they're pretty weightless in the hair, and that's typically the response that we get, is that it's weightless in the hair.
So how do you feel about the thin strip in comparison to the, you know, the traditional strip that most people are using? So this is the traditional, and then these are a lot thinner. It almost reminds me of our seamless clip-ins of how thin it is.
Right, so I actually love that seamless effect. I think it's versatile, and I really think that it's probably gonna be great for people with finer hair texture to help to, you know, not make it obvious.
How I'm looking back there, girl?
I mean, it's looking pretty seamless. What do y'all think? Seamless or no?
Oh my God, I'm so excited. All right, girl, it's given. I like it. The haircut is perfect. I like it straight, but I want some curls.
Okay.
Definitely want some curls.
Curls
this
for the
is perfect.
girls.
But oh, look, let me make sure it's nice and flat. Yeah. Yes, okay. My half up, half down is about to be popping. Oh yeah, I like that. Okay, Brittany. Let's go, Brittany Lynn. Okay. Give me some curls.
Okay.
This is amazing. I love it. Thank you so much, Brittany.
It looks so good.
I'm liking this. Look at your girl. Brittany hooked me all the way up. I'm really loving it. So make sure you come to House to Go Sleep. Check out my girl, Brittany Lynn. She is absolutely amazing. You gotta get the tape-in service. Get your tape-ins from us. Super natural, versatile, amazing. I absolutely love my hair. It's so lightweight. And you can't tell me nothing.